In this video, I'll show you how to adjust your touchscreen sensitivity after installing a screen protector on Android. Begin first by opening up your Settings app. My Settings app is on my home screen. I'm just going to tap on it to open it. Once you've done that, look for the setting that says Display and Touch, and then tap on it. In your Display and Touch settings, scroll down until you see where it says Touch Sensitivity underneath Touch. Tap on it. In here, you'll be able to adjust your touchscreen sensitivity. There is a toggle here that allows you to toggle on screen protector mode, which will increase touch sensitivity and improve touch when using a screen protector. So if you're finding your touches and taps desensitized, as in your device does not recognize your inputs when you tap or touch your screen, then you need to increase your device's touch sensitivity. And to do this setting will help. So go ahead and toggle on screen protector mode. Currently it's toggled off for me. I'm going to toggle that on. And now your taps and touches will be more sensitive to your device. So you won't be finding yourself double tapping or triple tapping on your device when you want to navigate a menu, for example. And that pretty much concludes this short video on how to adjust touchscreen sensitivity on Android. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so hard to let